Hey guys, my name is Shirokimani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on this rainy day, I'm going to be teaching you how to bake a red velvet cake. With me here, I have assembled everything that we'll be needing. So with me here, I have 150 grams of margarine. I have 200 grams of sugar. You can add your sugar if you like it, depending on the way you like it. I have 2 eggs. I have cocoa powder. I have my flour, which is 300 grams of flour, and then here I have milk. I have 200 grams of milk that is mixed with 20 grams of red color, and then I have my baking soda. So what I'm supposed to do is that I'm supposed to mix my baking soda into my flour. Before we start the procedure, I just want to show you what we're supposed to do with our baking soda. Baking soda has an alkaline taste. So what you do, for me, I don't measure with my weighing scale. I just put a little of baking soda. That for me is enough. And then I mix it with my flour. The first thing we're going to do is mix our butter and our sugar. So I'll take my sugar and just mix it with my butter. I'll use this scraper to just mix. I do. After mixing my butter and my sugar, the next step is to beat it with a hand mixer. So I'll just mix it. So the next thing is to add our eggs. And then proceed to beat it. The next thing is to add our milk that we had mixed with red color. I'd explained how I achieved this. And then I mix. At this point, we want to mix our cocoa powder with our flour. You remember we'd already put our baking soda, so I just want to mix these two together. I will mix it to my mixture. And then I'll fold in the flour. At this point, I want to flatten my mixture so that it bakes even. So I'll just flatten it like this. At times you can also do this to flatten it. You notice it is now aligned. So I had preheated my oven at 150 degrees Celsius. I like to bake at a slower rate. Though if you want to bake quick, if you want to bake probably at a higher rate, you can bake at 170 to 180, but I highly advocate for 150. It's better to bake slow and your cake bakes evenly, and also your cake won't burn. So I want to put my cake into my oven. And then once I've put it into my oven, I'll just put my timer on. I'll put my timer at 50 minutes. At 50 minutes. I just want to mention something. You notice when I preheated my oven, I just preheated the down burner. I didn't put on the upper burner. The reason why I do that is because if you put on both of them, there will be too much heat and your cake will most likely burn. So what you do, if your cake isn't well brownished on the top, you can put up your upper burner for the last 5 minutes of your baking. But if it's well cooked, you don't need to use it. So ladies and gentlemen, I am very excited. My cake is ready. So how you know your cake is ready? Just dip a toothpick and then pull it out. If it comes out clean, your cake is very ready. And as you can see, let me just show you. My cake is very spongy. You see, I press it, it comes up, it comes back up. My cake is very spongy. So you let the cake cool and serve. So that's it all for today. Please make your red velvet cakes and tag me on my Instagram page at Shiro Kimani. Shiro is SHIROW Kimani, or at SheBakes254. Please make sure you tag me once you bake your cakes. Till next time,